I go anywhere, anywhere with you, 'cause you fill my mind, or you fill my mind. We could build a dream, start up something new. Let the old be dead, let the shadows leave my head. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. 'Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me.
Hey glams, ready to get ready with me? So starting from the beginning, I'm wearing a lace front wig today, and this is how I prep my hair. To wear a lace front wig, I have to have my hair braided back. I have to put on a wig cap. I know I look crazy. I think I look like a freaking cucumber, or like one of those girls that's swimming, that's about to swim with the tight caps on. Yeah, I look kind of crazy. But this takes a while to dry on your hair. This has got to be, and you want this to dry before putting it on your unit so it looks natural. I'm going to prime my face. This is Fenty Beauty primer. And then what I've been loving to do is putting powder on my face before doing my face routine with my foundation, just because I get oily. I am so freaking oily. Even in the winter time, my nose, my T-zone just oils up. So I'm also going to go in and do my eyebrows. As you can see, my cap is still drying. This has to be completely dry before we end up cutting that excess around it that's on my forehead. So doing my eyebrows. If you don't know who Devontae is, he is my traveling hairstylist. So he comes to my house, does my hair. He's acting crazy back there. He need to be blow drying this thing down. Acting crazy. But moving on, this is the palette that I think I want to use. It's the Morphe 350 palette. I'm going to go ahead and just pop a brown into my crease, and I didn't know what I wanted to wear, so that's all I did, as this cap is continuing to dry, which it just takes forever. So be patient if you are wearing a wig. Now he's going to cut off the excess cap, and it's supposed to be smooth on your head. It's supposed to look like, you know, blend into your forehead. Once I get it on, he's going to continue tweezing, making this look really natural, make it look like my real hair. I have upgraded from Got To Be glue, which only lasts for like a day, to I think this is the Bold Hold glue that literally this thing is on my head. It's not coming off. It is not coming off. You can pull it, you can tug it, it's on there. The only thing I will say is that when I initially did it, I thought it was going to be white. It was going to leave that white residue. But luckily, you know, after it sets in and melts in, it looked fine. But like, I was like, oh my God, like this is about to be white on my head. But you got to be patient with your units, ladies, okay? You have to be patient. I did get some curls in my head. This unit was prepped last night by Devontae. He curled it up, and this is just installing it. Now, a little trick to get off the white residue: take an oil and just, not a lot, just dab it. Dab. So that worked for us, and this is what the hairline looks like. Of course, I want some baby hairs on my wig unit. Yeah, I need baby hairs. Fun fact, my hairstylist hates baby hairs and I love them, so we argue about giving me baby hairs all the time. I'm like, I want baby hairs, okay? And you shall give me the baby hairs. But he loves it like just looking like natural. But everybody's hairline is different, so it has to match what your hairline kind of looks like. I was trying to perfect the hairline to more by adding some powder, just to make it look like it's growing out of my scalp. And then after I do that, I'm going to tie the edges down because I want this to melt in. I need it to blend, and I need it to process, okay? Process. What I was thinking, but I think it may be too cold, is with, I do have my Christian Louboutins, but of course this is all leg out. But then I'm like, what jacket would I put over this to like be warm? Do I wait to wear this when it's warm now? Other things I have are like, I have this green top with these earrings, and it's like this pencil skirt that's all green. But still, it's the shoe that's like, it's still cold out. Like I said, my new Christian Louboutin looks really cute with this. But this I feel like makes it winter time appropriate. Just everything's a shoe thing. Like, and then even if I did the Gucci bag with it, you know. Got the black fur. The green isn't gonna match. Nope, it's a different color. Black leather jacket. Nope, it doesn't go. It's black. Let's try the black fur first. Alright guys, my hair is done. I picked out my outfit. Let me do this makeup really fast. Okay, what am I doing to my face? I have on this green, pretty green. I think I'm gonna just do this green on the lower lash line. Do something like really quick to my eye, and yeah, I think this needs to be like a deep brown. This would possibly mean like I do not have time for this. I gotta go use another brush to try to blend this out. What did I do? Look at my eye. Look at it. Too much sparkle. What is this on my eyes? I don't know what I did to my eyes, but guess what? We have to move on. I'm gonna do my foundation. Oh shoot. Just gonna use some MAC for now. I don't feel like gonna get anything else. Do my foundation. I really wish I had some like concealer, but I don't. I didn't even like contour because I'm running late. Eyeliner this way. I'm gonna do like a really big eyeliner because I don't know what I did with the eyeshadows. So I'm gonna get that eyeliner and bring it in. Mascara. All right, going in with Velvet Teddy. I love this lipstick. Then I'm going in with Winter Warmer. Just in the center. Yes. I feel like I do want to highlight. Or do I just want to blush? If you guys are wondering what I've been smelling like, it is the My Burberry and Blush. It smells lovely. Yeah, it smells so good. For one, it is suffocating my head. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Where's my earrings? I'm actually late. What time is it? 5:51. It starts at 6. It's gonna take me about 30 minutes to get there, but that just means I'm fashionably late, right? Arrive at like 6:30. I want to be like the first one there, right? Let's see.
I will keep it quick. Black Girl Magic. So many cases with the crazy event that we had last year.
I grew up with the mother that would slather you in Vaseline and cocoa butter and send you to school and you're just like, hi friends, like just threatening. So I would get these products from these brands, you know, to review them.
Oh, I know. Black on crack. Right.
We'll discuss that today.
Kind of.
And so I couldn't get my footing. There was a lot of anti-aging stuff, and I was like, my mom's look looks 30 since the 80s. So I don't even think I need anti-aging. So I was just confused. I was like, can somebody talk to me about this dark spot that's been on my chin for the past 8 months? Is it a myth or is it true? Like, we do age. How do we age?
Well, my theory is we don't crack, right? Because our skins are normally more normal to oily. However, we get very colorful. So we tend to show our aging through hyperpigmentation and hyperpigmentation, unevenness in the skin. We often see textures under the eyes, texture. So we may not see character. I'll work that lines.
The life and wisdom under this. That we don't necessarily have to put so much, we're not stressing out every morning about like the wrinkles and anti-aging. It's funny, I was talking to an editor at Allure, and right before they announced that they were going to no longer use the word or the phrase anti-aging, and they were like, oh, you guys should like, Essence should like join the cause and stuff. I'm like, I don't even know when the last time that my fingers actually typed anti-aging. Like, we don't, like, that's not something that we think about. That's not that's not a concern. That's not something that our readers, our community is like constantly trying to figure out this like fountain of youth thing. To us, I feel like aging is such it's such a beautiful thing, and yes, we can crack and we do crack, but there's just something about aging that it's so much more graceful and accepted in our community, and like we're okay with it, and like we want to see how we age, and we see the older beautiful Black folk in our lives, and they just look amazing, and so it's not this like
reflection of what we see.
Yeah.
So it's like I'm not so much like I'm not afraid of aging because I look at my grandma's in her 70s and I'm like, still kind of cute, Jane. See your eyebrows real quick. So you know, like when we see our grandparents and our aunts and our mothers aging, it's like, oh, you look kind of cute. All right, like that's my mama right there. Like the wife.
Girl, I saw you walking in looking like
It's another blogger.
hi.
Blogger Jayla Koriyan. She works with Bobbi Brown.
Okay.
You look amazing.
I know, I was like, okay. Oh, look at the twins looking really sharp today. Oh, do a little twirl.
Night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is